protein and pregnancy. When a woman is pregnant, she needs more protein than usual, and her protein needs should increase from 45 to 50 grams a day to 70 to 75 grams a day. These needs remain high until she is lactating. In case she is bearing twins or has multiple pregnancies or complications, her protein needs may be even more. It is important to increase protein intake during pregnancy, since it is the primary nutrient that helps build a baby's muscles and skeleton. If your protein requirements are not met while you're pregnant, it may be possible that your baby won't make it to term. Acting as an energy source, protein helps your infant grow and develop, especially when you are breastfeeding. When you are breastfeeding, your body's protein gets lost and extra protein helps take care of your normal bodily functions. Apart from that, protein is required for the placenta and the baby's amniotic tissues and cellular development. Your blood also needs protein to make the additional cells you require to support the baby. A woman's blood volume increases by about 50% while she is pregnant. Protein deficiency may cause complications. According to research, if you want to prevent stillbirths, you can do so by certain interventions including protein supplementation, screening and treatment of syphilis, and cesarean section, in case of breech baby. It was also found that activin A and other related proteins such as inhibins and follistatin are involved in the complex mechanisms which allow the establishment and maintenance of pregnancy. Activin A is secreted by the stromal cells when they are stimulated by ovarian progesterone. This action induces the decidualization process, which is a precondition for implantation. Activin A greatly influences the implantation phase. In some pregnancy disorders like miscarriages, recurrent abortion, and ectopic pregnancy, local derangement of activin A pathway is found. This further establishes the hypothesis that activin A and its related protein are responsible for establishment of pregnancy. Poor protein intake during pregnancy increases the risk of having low-weight babies, and in a recent study it was suggested that protein deficiency can also cause negative effects on fetal brain development. Tips for vegetarians. A vegetarian diet omits meat, fish, and poultry, so a well-planned vegetarian diet for pregnancy is important. A poorly planned diet can be low in several key components required for optimal fetal development or lactation. According to the recommended dietary allowances, or RDAs, 10% of your total calories should come from protein. In a strict vegetarian diet, getting this protein requires proper selection. Vegans, who live on plant-based foods and omit animal products completely, need to eat an adequate amount of high-quality protein like casein or soy. Complementing the diet with beans and grains is also a good alternative, as is whey protein. You can discuss this with your doctor or a registered dietitian. It's not hard to get enough protein. Most women, especially in the first world, get the necessary protein even when they are unaware. But when you are pregnant there are some times when you have to be extra careful, especially if you are vomiting a lot or you are a vegetarian. Some very good sources of protein include milk, beans, nuts, cheese, eggs, and meat. If you're concerned about calories, whey protein is the best choice. Whey protein is easily available in the form of shakes or powders that can be added to liquids of your choice. Whey proteins are easily absorbable by the body and take less than an hour to get into your blood. Whey protein is derived from milk during the process of cheese making. Ingredients found in whey protein resemble those found in mother's milk, and this is one of the reasons why whey protein is widely used in many baby formulas. It contains essential amino acids that promote good health and also help in improving body composition. The amino acids build healthy tissues in your muscles, skin, nails, and various other body parts. There are many women who are lactose intolerant. Pregnancy for them is a big problem, but it can be solved by whey protein. Whey protein contains lactase and aminogen enzymes, which enhance its absorption capacity. Thus, expectant mothers can greatly benefit from whey protein supplements. When and how much protein do you need during pregnancy? It is important to get enough protein throughout your pregnancy, but it is especially important that you get it during your second and third trimesters. This is the time when your baby grows the fastest, as do your breasts and other organs that accommodate your baby's needs. You don't have to have a particular amount of protein every day. Instead, you can focus on weekly intake. Most women in developed countries eat more protein than required, but it can be a problem for women who don't eat meat or other dairy products. They can either opt for beans, soy, or protein supplements. ProfectR is one such protein supplement, which has optimum levels of whey protein isolate which is easily absorbed by the body. It was created by scientists after researching for several years, and contains as much as 25 grams of protein. Visit Protica.com to learn more.